Hello, now we are going to see the topic types of pronouns. When do we use pronouns? Instead of nouns. Ram is a boy, he comes from Udmalpet. So instead of Ram, we are using he. For boys we use he, for girls we use she, for things and animals we use it, then for plural things we use they, we. So there are various kinds of pronouns. We can see the types of pronouns now. So first we can see personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are used as a substitute for a person's name. There are two kinds, subjective and objective pronouns. The subjective pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. We left early to avoid traffic. So, we is the subjective pronoun here. You can read the next sentence also. This is possessive pronouns. It shows that something belongs to someone. For example, my, our, your, his, her, its and their. So, here you can see the examples of the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. This is my book. This book is mine. The word mine is used as adjective. Whose book? My book. This book is mine. It shows the possessiveness. Next we can go to demonstrative pronouns. The word demonstrative itself says this, that, these and those. So here we can see the difference between demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative adjectives comes before the noun. This chair is broken. So this is my chair. So here it is used as pronoun. So you can read the remaining sentence. Interrogative pronouns are what, which, who, whom and whose. It is asked to ask questions about the people or object. For example, what do you want for dinner? Whom did you speak to? So here whom, what and all works as a interrogative pronoun. Next we can go to reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are objects that refer to the subject. It always ends with self or selves, herself, themselves, like that. She made herself coffee. Emphatic pronoun. They show emphasis and are generally used after the pronoun. He himself organized the picnic. So himself is the emphatic pronoun. Here you can see the examples of reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and object are the same. The cat licked itself. So subject is cat and object is also itself. So these are the examples of indefinite pronouns. Another, anybody. Like this words we can use, and which are the words comes under plural? Both, few and all. Both singular and plural, all, any, more, most, like these words come. We can see the example sentences for this. We finally moved to another apartment. I swear I won't tell anyone this secret. Here we can see reciprocal pronoun, each other, one another. Here you can see the examples. Asian ethnicities distinguish from one another. One another is the reciprocal pronoun here. The kids are playing with one another outside. So one another is the reciprocal pronoun you can see here. So distributive pronouns, the examples are each, none, everyone, either. It describes the member of a group, person, thing separately and not in a collective way. Next you can see relative pronouns. Here also WH words will be coming. Who, whom, whose, which, that, where and all. He who overcomes his angry subdues his greatest enemy. So here who works as the relative pronoun. So these are the different types of pronouns you can use. You can remember this. I hope you have understood the types of pronouns. Thank you.